You're going to start your lashing in a spot where it won't be able to move along your work, so preferably a place like this, as you see on the left side of the work. We're going to start. We're going to make a slip knot, and then we're going to put a half hitch as a stop knot that won't go through the slip knot as a good starting point. And we'll cinch it down nice and tight. Now here you can either burn this tail off, or as you can see in this video, we're going to incorporate the tail along our work. In the field we use a tool called a needle. As you can see, we can fill it up with a bunch of our thread and our twine lashing material. And then we come over the top, and we come over again holding onto the second loop, and we'll do the same thing. We'll twist it, and whatever direction you decide to twist this rope, it needs to be kept the same throughout, because if you twist it the other way, your work will actually loosen when you go to tighten it. So you got to keep that in mind. We come over and we wrap around once and pull a section out and make a loop and twist it, and we bring the needle back through the loop and cinch it tight. When you get to the point where you want to finish your lashing and terminate the string, you simply make 3 or 4 knots right on top of each other. As you see here, the same twist method through the loop. And once you get to where you want to be, you make a half hitch, another stop knot, cinch it up nice and tight to your work, and cut this piece of twine. In this scenario, you can see we're going to lash net to net, and you're going to start simply on the first mesh, making your same slip knot and half hitch as a stop knot, so you can cinch your first knot nice and tight. Now you continue with the same method as we did earlier, wrapping around, holding on to the loop, twisting it one direction, putting the needle through, cinching it up nice and tight. And you keep this method up until you get to the point where you want to stop, or you've reached the end of your seam, and you will terminate it the same way that we showed you previously, with 3 knots on top of each other with a stop knot to hold it.